Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. For few months I will be teaching on the study table instead of that whiteboard, as I have to change the setup of my classroom. So kindly cooperate with me and rest everything will be as earlier. Now let's start the class. In today's class we will do question number 1 of exercise 3.2 from chapter 3, which is playing with numbers, from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us see what is the question. The question is, what is the sum of any two odd numbers and the sum of any two even numbers? So let us do the solution. What is the sum of any two odd numbers? So for that we have to first see what are odd numbers. Odd numbers are what? Those are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Like that, if we go on writing, the set is the set of odd numbers. Okay. So now we have to find what is the sum of any two odd numbers. Sum of any two odd numbers, what is that? Means in this place we will write any odd number, in this place also we will write any odd number, and then we will add them, and then we will see that whether it is odd number or it is some other number. Some other number, what will be that? That may be an even number. So what are even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Means the numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers, and odd numbers are the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Okay, so if we find the sum of two odd numbers, we will see whether it is an odd number, the result is an odd number, or it is an even number. Okay, so what are these numbers? These numbers are even numbers. Even numbers. Okay, and these are odd numbers. Now let us take any two odd numbers and add them and find the sum of those two odd numbers. So let us take 1 and 5, because these two are odd numbers. So if we add them, we get 6. What is this? Is this an odd number? No, it is an even number. It means when we add two odd numbers, the result is an even number. So what is the question? What is the sum of any two odd numbers? The sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. Let us check for more two odd numbers. 11 plus 61. These two are also odd numbers because these two are not divisible by 2. If we find the sum of these two numbers, what is the result? The result is 72. What is this? Is this an odd number or it is an even number? It is an even number because it is divisible by 2. So when two odd numbers are added, the result is an even number. So what can we conclude? We can conclude that the sum of any two odd numbers, the sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. So the sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. So for doing this question, we have to first know that what are odd numbers and what are even numbers. Okay. So this is the solution of part A. Now let us do part B. What is the sum of any two even numbers? So what are even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Like that, if we go on writing, that set of numbers are even numbers. Means the numbers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. Okay. So the sum of any two, what is that? The sum is also an even number. Okay, these two are even numbers and the sum of these two even numbers is also an even number. Let us take another even number. 60 or anything, 78 plus 42. These two are even numbers because these two are divisible by 2. If we find the sum of these two numbers, what we will get? 120. 120 is an even number because it is divisible by 2. It means the sum of two even numbers is an even number. Okay. Now let us take one more example. 100 plus 202. These two are even numbers because these two are divisible by 2. If we find the sum of these two numbers, what we will get? We will get 302. This is also an even number because it is divisible by 2. It means the sum of two odd numbers is the sum of two even numbers is an even number. So what can we write? We can write that the sum of any two even numbers is an even number. The sum of any two even numbers is an even number. So understood this question? In the next class, we will do question number 2 of the same exercise 3.2 from chapter 3 playing with numbers from 6th class maths NCERT book. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.